Just like the browser saves the searches you perform, the shell keeps an internal history list of all the commands you run. Several methods are available to access that list, so we'll start by the most common one, which is scrolling through. To scroll through the list, you can simply use the up and down arrow keys of your keyboard, where the up key will make you go back in a history, whereas the down key will make you browse forward. Once you've found the command you want to rerun, simply press Enter to execute it, or Ctrl-C to cancel this command and get a new prompt without bothering erasing the whole line. Another way of reviewing the history list is to use the history built-in itself. As you can see, a reference number is associated to each entry of the list. When you find the command you wish to rerun, simply write an exclamation mark followed by its entry number and hit the Enter key. A useful trick to know in the case you want to replay the last command without having to look at its number, is to use the double bank syntax. Finally, if instead of having the full list you only wanted to display the last 10 entries, for example, all you have to do is pass it a number like this. Now, as you can see, the terminal can sometimes get quite messy, so whenever you want to clean it up, simply use the clear command or the Ctrl-L keyboard shortcut. Finally, the last way of navigating the history is by using the reverse search function, which is quite handy if you're looking for a command in particular and you don't want to browse through the whole list. To toggle the reverse search menu, simply press Ctrl-R and start typing any part of the command you're looking for. If it doesn't right away match the one you want, simply press Ctrl-R again to move on to the previous one in the list, and so on until you find what you want. Now either press Enter to run the command or Ctrl-C to exit the search menu.